Hello guys, how are you? I'm with the Muka Makeda on
And
his
my
channel.
sibling, my sister.
Danger!
If you see us holding this,
It means something.
this 100 meters, it means God is what.
I don't think they can believe it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's 100 meters.
Yeah, they've seen it now. It's 100 meters.
So why are we holding this?
Okay. We've had 2 people so far who told us to measure our yard. They said they want to know the measurements for our yard. So we don't know if God is trying to do something for us or it's just a try and error.
So now, without wasting time, I think we better do what we've been asked to do.
Yes, that's
We are now taking some measurements to see what we can do. So
guys, I want you to see something. You know, I always tell you that I have sensitive eyes. See also Mkumaketi, also a sensitive eyes.
What does that mean?
Like you can't face the sun, you know, it's always painful for you
So maybe because I'm not grown up, I don't know.
Okay, maybe it also means that because I'm grown up.
But I can't face the sun direct. Everyone.
Me too. Not just the sun, even outside like this.
Yeah, me, I don't see things that are far from me. I don't see. I've got such that problem. I have it. I know that.
So, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my brother's channel. If you haven't subscribed to mine, also come and subscribe to me.
Let's do the way. Don't forget that we are going to funeral.
Oh yeah. So there's a funeral, guys, where we stay. Our neighbors lost their 18-year-old child, so we're going there to sleep.
A short illness.
Yeah, it was a mysterious
death.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, we have to go there. You know, during the days when we're doing ABCD, and then in the evening we will be there. Okay.
Take it. Don't worry.
Okay. Chakalokwa. Come on, kid, daddy. You want to measure and see. I don't know. So I'm going there now to see what is happening, to see how long this yard is going to be. By the way, Danger scared me. Guys, this turkey now is chicks. I'm sure you saw Mkomakeda's video when she was taking that turkey from the bush. The turkey now is chicks. So now we want to do the measurements. This is our boundary. This is our boundary. Mirai, msadonze. Esther, koribo. Msadonze asatapedza. Kori sei. Kazongo sirundona. Yeah? Wati? Alright. Wafukanje falorkana pamchenje. Wafukanje ntete falorkana pamajurere. Apo iro Mkomakedi. Iro. Uku. Bezale pamsoro bechura. Babeze. So, come marketer has measured that side. So he's done measuring. Guys, here in the village, they see you holding a tape measure or doing something in your yard. People will come out looking, wanting to see what is happening. Rice in your 56.5. So can we just say maybe 55, 56?
Yeah, 55.
Okay, 55.
In allowance.
Okay, no, that's okay.
Yeah.
So it's 55.
55.
Okay. And then what about the other side?
Yeah, let's measure it. You stand here. Me, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Yeah, you stand here. Hold it straight. Make it straight line.
Okay. So guys, the other side is 55. Mirai. You know, it's got there's no fan say.
You put on the corner that. There's that corner there.
Side is not right, because you don't right.
Measure this side first. We multiply by 2.
No, I'm saying is that side not clearer than this one?
Yeah, let's go to that side. So guys, thank you so much. This is my sister here.
I'm keeping them for you.
Now rush hour.
Yeah, it is.
You know, if God starts to bless you.
Come again, ndikutochika mvura ugiri pastove.
No, I turned off the stove.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
So guys, this is where we stay. This is our home.
Be a little bit faster.
Okay. Okay.
Just hold it. Here, I want to run like this. Hold on here.
What can I say? That's good. Come again. Murku benda, inozonetsa kuti straight kana makure. Okay. Paradandistona. Need to go and check the boundary. There's a dog.
You got that side.
Okay.
Yes. You know how to calculate measurement?
Should I give you?
No, go with it. You see, let me go here. When it is here, it's 5 meters. These are points.
Okay.
So 5.10.
So I'll just be checking the meters.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, the way I'm coming here, I'll be teaching you things like you don't know if you have an idea. So it's always good to have boots when you stay in the village. You see, these are my boots. So it keeps you safe, guys. Bobdi. And score side Duko. I can't see the other side.
What is the challenge?
I'm short, I can't see the other side. I said I'm short, I can't see the other side.
No. The other side of that triangle.
Yeah.
No, we just need this straight line.
Yeah, but how do I know I've reached the I've reached where I'm supposed to be.
You go. What about making measurements with that one?
Which one?
That one. That
No, that's not what.
one. Besides,
They
where
went
it ends.
more. They went
Oh.
more. Yeah. It's somewhere here. I can't see the straight line from there.
You see, from here, it's 78.
Okay.
So 78, if you want us to be sure, we put a mark here.
Okay.
So when we come, we know that from there to here it's 78.
Okay.
If we are to take that now, we know.
Okay.
Because you see, it's a rectangular, so it's length times width. So that is the width, is it? The shorter side. We said it's 55.6 something like that. Then now we have to take that straight line now, as I told you before. If you are not quite sure about this one.
No, the thing is I can't see from. Oh, so you mean we can use the other side?
Let's use that the other side. Here, beside here is our man.
78.
78 is here. What can we put here? No, nothing like this. So long we know, we put a cross. So this is 78.
So why do you go this side or on that side?
Yeah, you go that side.
Where?
You go that side from where it starts. Go to this one, go some. You have to go there. Once you know where it
Guys, measuring land is not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. Oh, there is fresh air here. Very fresh air. So guys, others have started plowing. Many people have started plowing, but us, we haven't started. We haven't started. I think it's just because we've been concentrating too much with poultry that now it looks like we are forgetting to start with others. So here in the village, if you start digging the pits for planting your maize, they'll give you free fertilizer and free maize the seeds. So I don't think they'll give me because I haven't started preparing. I've been busy. We've been busy with Mkoma Kid. That's Mkoma Kid that they coming. That's a celebrity. They're coming. So our land ends here. Sorry, Booty. Sorry. No perera pachipo ichi.
This is 80.
1.
80.7. 87.
Okay.
It's 87
Okay.
by 50.
5.
55.6.
Okay.
So these are the measurements. So that side it has to be also 87.
Yeah.
Is that so? Because
Yeah, that's
this
correct.
is the corner post of somebody's.
Yeah.
And what I would want to ask you, are you gonna make a distance here?
No, what for?
Or else this one is going to be get rid of?
Yeah, I think that's what they would do. But
you negotiate with them.
yeah, I did already. They said it's okay. They can.
Because it's an advantage also to the community.
Yeah, that's true.
They know it's there to put their fence like ours.
Yeah.
They are left with 3 sides.
With 3 sides.
And
that's
that
true.
side also we've covered.
Yes, they
are
will be
also
left with 3 sides as well.
So
yeah.
This is village life.
Yeah.
We hope each
Other.
everyone connected.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Yeah. I just want to show you how I pinned that one. I just pinned it on the
wire.
and fold it so that when I run, it's now time late, guys.
Yeah, it's time to cook.
Yes. Time to cook.
It's very windy. Sorry. Means what?
This one is in Pangara.
I think we should remove it, did it?
Not now. As long as we are done, tomorrow is another day. We are going to remove it like what we did to Tino's.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry about
yeah, after fencing.
Was a bit busy because there were trees.
Big trees.
Big trees.
Yeah.
Yes, just the grass.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, for each other.
Yeah, I know.
Show them this. They should know what my sibling is.
The septic tank.
The septic tank.
And unfinished and
Which
uncompleted.
one is a soccer way? Me, I'm not connected in the building.
The builder said that's a soccer way. But Anamofu said that's a soccer way, so I don't know.
Maybe they put it at the size.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because the soccer way, normally they don't put the cast stones only.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Then I think one thing did you tell them what is happening?
Yeah, I told them we are measuring.
You told them they were supposed to guess. Yeah,
Wanted them to guess.
in the comment section.
I didn't know.
These are real friends now.
Is it?
We've got someone to talk to.
Ah, that's nice.
No matter each papa with anything, let them know.
We should be quick and start preparing. Me, I want to go to the funeral.
Yeah.
I want to cook and eat and go to the funeral.
Yeah.
You know, I was never there, so I need to get there also when there's too light.
Yeah, I'll just go 2 seconds.
So I told you to go in the afternoon, Mkomakid. You refused.
Very hot. And I have to
Mkomakid. So you can go now when I'm cooking.
Yeah, but you see.
Mkomakid.
But the cleanliness is nearly to goodness.
Yeah, but the problem is once you are on your phone reading comments from your YouTubers, you don't leave your phone. You stop doing important things.
No,
Bye-bye, Wafuti.
yeah?
I've heard bye-bye, Wafuti.
Never. I'm just saying Sierra Tongue. Yeah. Thank you. I'm sweating.
Yeah, you worked too much. You were running also.
Bye-bye, good people. Bye-bye.